Hey guys, this is Chris with Affiliate Tube. Just real quick, wanting to go over Profit Maximizers, explain to you a little bit about what the product is and what you get for just $17. It's a crazy deal. On top of that, if you buy Profit Maximizers through my website, you'll find that link directly under this video in the description box. If you click it, it's going to take you here where you can learn more about the bonuses that I'm going to be offering if you buy through this big blue button. One of those bonuses is going to be a 3-month membership to my Affiliate Tuber course for only the first 50 who buy this product through my link. And you're going to learn strategies on YouTube on how to build an amazing YouTube channel and promote affiliate products, earn money like this here. Within the last 2 weeks, over $4,000 just from Warrior Plus. And that doesn't include the many other affiliate networks that I'm part of. You're also going to get another affiliate bonus video formula. You're going to learn where and how you can download thousands of WordPress plugins and themes. These are premium WordPress plugins and themes for free. And there's other bonuses. You can check them all out here on my website. But as for Profit Maximizers, this is a product by Brendan Mace, Jono Armstrong, and a few others, where they've created 80 different products that you can use to give away as bonuses to build your email list or to entice people to buy through your affiliate link. So basically what you do is you come in here, you can watch the welcome video, how to use these videos, just a brief video. If you get the one-time offer number 1, which I think is like $37, you'll get a series of videos you can watch that will go into a lot more detail about how you can use this system to make massive affiliate commissions. And so the only thing you have to do is go down to one of these bonuses. They all fall within the make money niche, such as building email lists, launch jacking. You can go here and click on one of these and you can download the graphic here, or you can get the giveaway link right here, which will take you to the actual product, and you would simply copy this link, and this is what you would give to the person who bought the product through your affiliate link or subscribed to your email list. These products are very high quality. In fact, I went to Warrior Plus. You can see here the secret weapon, which is bonus number 3, has sold over 1,000 since January the 3rd of 2019. So even a new product, and they're giving you access to it to use as a bonus to build your list or to increase your affiliate earnings. Here's another one called 0 Hour Workdays, launched back in 2016 at the end of it. Sold over 25,000 copies, guys, with a 1% refund rate. These are high quality products they're giving you to build your list and to entice people to buy through your affiliate link. I highly recommend it for $17. And don't forget, click the link under this video, go to my website where you can grab my bonus package, which will complement this product and show you how to even take more advantage of using bonuses and growing your affiliate marketing business.